very familiar sight. Look at this, snowing again, folks. Gotta clean off the car. Oh boy. Yep, 2014 has definitely brought the Jack Frost onslaught of the ice, Eli the Iceman, Armageddon, Snowmageddon I should say. So Eli the Iceman, Snowmageddon has commenced, folks, and we've been doing this for weeks upon weeks on end. This is probably the 13th time, 12th or 13th time we got snow, heavy duty, hardcore snow, and it's really crazy. It just snowed about 2 days ago, so it's safe to say that we are now entering the Ice Age. Welcome to the Ice Age, folks. Look at this crazy thing. This is supposed to be a driveway, right? This is a driveway. Look at this. This is what the street sweepers come and swept up in front of our driveway. A really nice heavy pile, and now we have a little ramp that I gotta walk over right here in order to get to the driveway. As you can see, pretty crazy. I apologize with the color changes and all that. My camera's bugging out with the colors, but yeah, we are in a winter wonderland, aka this is Iceland, or should I say it is Iceman territory.